Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Chrome Remote Desktop on the iPad and the Chrome extension on your computer. This is the foundation you need. Once done, sign into the same Google account on both devices and set a secure 6-digit or longer PIN. This prevents unauthorized access. Make sure the host computer is allowed to stay awake and connected. Otherwise, the session will drop. Finally, verify both devices are on stable networks so the app can discover the host quickly. Now, open the iPad app and tap the computer you set up. Enter the PIN when prompted, and you'll initiate a remote session. While connected, open the session menu to enable clipboard sync and file transfer if you plan to move documents. This saves time later. Also, configure touch controls and on-screen keyboard behavior so clicking and typing feel natural. If the display looks off, change scaling and lock the orientation to match the iPad's aspect ratio for clearer visuals. To finish, disconnect from the session and close the app so access is secure. Sign out if using a shared iPad. If you notice lag or stuttering, lower the display quality in settings, close background apps, or switch the host to a wired network. These changes directly improve frame rate. If you can't connect, recheck that you're signed into the same Google account, confirm the PIN, and make sure remote access permissions are allowed on the computer. This single check fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.